So I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very fortunate to listen to your points actually, because I think these are all very, very important to us from our not day-to-day life also, for our practical existence. Thank you to you. Good evening to all of you. Namaste. So first of all, I must like to express my thanks to Jogeshji for giving me a chance to come and sit for some time to listen to the beautiful way the Katha was being said with all of you. We all have come from the same land actually. We all understand the importance of Krishna Katha, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Gita. We all know, as mentioned by Prabhudev, I think it's life has, we all know that it's the bestowed by God itself. How to conduct our lives, how to do sacrifice for our humanities. And there are lots of things. I myself have read Prabhupada's Gita many times, maybe more than 100 times I've read. The essence is that what we want to do, it should do the better for all. And Indian philosophy, as we all know, that it has this practicality. Now the Western world, which is suffering due to different reasons, they are also trying to come to Indian philosophy for their solace. When I was working in Delhi, I used to understand that there is a country called Croatia, if you know, I think, very beautiful European country. They are every year they used to have Rath Jatra, very strong foundation of ISKCON. They also used to discuss about Lord Krishna, Mahabharata, and the tenets of Gita actually. Very recently we did in Auckland International Gita Mahotsav. I was listening to the speaker after speaker who was speaking about how you can moderate between your aspiration, your expectation and action. Because if you do that, then only you can find satisfaction and solace actually. When you sleep, you will have a nice sleep actually. So I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very fortunate to listen to your points actually, because I think these are all very, very important to us from our not day-to-day life also, for our practical existence. Thank you to you. And on the sideline, as Madam told, actually I'm the Consul General for almost 1 year. My office is 1 year old. We are trying to provide service to our people, but besides providing visa and consular service, we are also trying to take the relationship to very, very high level. And I think here we are also seeking Jogeshji's help in a big, big way. We'll be coming frequently to Hamilton. We'll be meeting all of you. And wherever you feel that Government of India can come to any kind of assistance, I can promise that any kind of emergency travel to India or emergency medical treatment in India, if you need any kind of support from us, please be sure that the door of the office is always open for you. Thank you, all of you.